Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Cython library for Python in Visual Studio's Code. So if you don't know about the Cython library, then it is a library that allows you to write C extensions for Pythons using a Python-like syntax, thus enabling you to compile Python code into C for performance gains and seamless integration with C or C++ libraries. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's Code and type in the following command, which is pip install Cython. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. This includes downloading of the packages and installing them. And once that has been done, you can see this message which says successfully installed Cython version 3.0.12. In order to verify, you may type in the following command from the new terminal line, which is pip show Cython. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button again and you can see the information like the version number as well as the location of this particular library into your system. So that confirms that this library has been successfully installed into your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.